कर्णेभिः शृणुयाम देवाः भद्रं पश्येमाक्षभिर्यजत्राः स्थिरैरङ्गैस्तुष्टुवांसस्तनूभिः व्यशेम देवहितं यदायुः स्वस्ति न इन्द्रो वृद्धश्रवाः स्वस्ति नः पूषा विश्ववेदाः स्वस्ति नस्तार्क्ष्यो अरिष्टनेमिः स्वस्ति नो बृहस्पतिर्दधातु। ॐ शान्ति शान्ति शान्तिः। शङ्करं शङ्कराचार्यं केशवं बादरायणं सूत्रभाष्यकृतौ वन्दे भगवन्तौ पुनः पुनः। ईश्वरो गुरुरात्मेति मूर्तिभेदविभागिने व्योमवद्व्याप्तदेहाय दक्षिणामूर्तये नमः। ॐ शान्ति शान्ति शान्तिः। प्रज्ञानां सुप्रतानैः स्थिरचरनिकर व्यापिभिर्व्याप्य लोकान् भुक्त्वा भोगान् स्थविष्ठान् पुनरपि धिषणोद्भासितान् कामजन्यान् पीत्वा सर्वान् विशेषान् स्वपिति मधुरभुं मायया भोजयन्नो मायासङ्ख्यातुरीयं परममृतमजं ब्रह्म यत्तन्नतोऽस्मि। यो विश्वात्मा विदिजविषयान् प्राश्यभोगान् स्थविष्ठान् पश्चाच्चान्यान् स्वमतिविभवान् ज्योतिषा स्वेन सूक्ष्मान् सर्वानेतान् पुनरपि शनैः स्वात्मनि स्थापयित्वा हित्वा सर्वान् विशेषान् विगतगुणगणः पात्वसौ न स्तुरीयः। पेज नंबर 107 29th कारिका टीका। लौकिकानां परीक्षकाणां च भेद अनुदाहृत्य अनंतत्वात् कतिपय कल्पना भेदान् उदाहृत्य अनंतत्वात् अशेषतः तेषाम् उदाहर्तुम् अशक्यत्वं दृष्ट्वा संक्षेपमात्रं व्याचष्टे। लौकिकानां मीन्स लौकिक बुद्धि, those who have, and parikshakaanam, parikshakas means darshanikas, those who do pariksha, न्याय, योग, सांख्य, वैशेषिक इत्यादि इत्यादि। Some kalpana bheda, katipaya means some of them have been shown. Kalpana bhedan udahritya, their udaharanam is given. Anantatvat, but they are infinite, so you can't give all of them. Asheshataha tesham udahartum ashakyatvam, one cannot give list of all erroneous notions. Some erroneous notions of laukikas and some erroneous notions of darshanikas have been pointed out in sankshepa matra. Yam bhavam darshayedyasya tam bhavam satu pashyati तंचावति स भूत्वासौ तद्ग्रह समुपैति तम्। यस्य यम भावम दर्शयेत सह तम भावम तु पश्यति. So यस्य आचार्यः or anybody, whatever their acharya shows, saying that this is ultimate, he will see that only. Or sometimes they read on their own, or they have some preconceived notions on their own. Whatever is there, they'll just hold on to it and they will see that only. So if somebody thinks, let's say they study science, matter, everything is matter. Somebody sees three gunas, sattva guna, rajo guna, tamo guna, everything. Somebody vata, pitta, kapha, everything. So whatever is in their mind, they will see only that. Tam bhavam saha pashyati. Two means certainly. Then what will happen? Because of that obsession, everywhere they think this alone is the truth, this alone is the fact. Then tam chavati saha asau bhutva. That bhava tancha avati. That thing, how it will protect. Protect means if you just follow at least one darshana, whatever is that darshana will keep you on track. Then gradually you will do the best in that darshana, as if he is possessed by that bhava. So saha bhutva tam avati. That bhava, as if identified with the sadhaka, will protect that sadhaka. Tad grahaha, and he is possessed by that. So he will attain that at the end. So this is the darshan, this is the vision. Whatever I see, this is what I will follow. This is, so if somebody says loka, somebody is jyotisha, somebody thinks vyakarana, somebody thinks any other ideas, that becomes their life. They can't think Brahman. They will not go beyond this ideology. Tika padatrayam vibhajate. So now the three padas are explained. Kim bahuna bhashya. Pranadinam anyatamam uktam anuktam va yam bhavam padartham darshayet yasya acharyo anyava aptaha. What more shall we say? Means we have listed some, starting from prana, pranadinam anyatamam, any one of them. Anyatama means one among many. Uktam anuktam va, what is said and what is not said here, but you might see it in the world. Yam bhavam padartham darshayet. Yam bhavam padartham darshayet. Yasya acharya, whose acharya or anyaha apta purusha, they show something that this is ultimate. Like somebody will have, this nada yoga, they will do nada. upasana. They will think that is ultimate. You should speak to some people who are in music. They will always tell you, Swamiji, we both are doing the same thing. You do worship of Brahma through your Shastra, we do it through our music. A lot of musicians, they tell us, they say we are same. All you have to do is say yes. You can't argue with them. You had it. 1 hour they will take away. Nothing is going to happen. So you just nod your head, yes. Then these people who are into puja, long pujas, they will say we are doing the same thing. Puja is ultimate. You just have to say yes. Anything else you said, you had it. Because they are possessed by that. You don't quote them some Shastra here, there. They are not going to listen to it. Idameva tattvam. This is their idea. This alone is the truth. Idameva tattvam iti. Saha tam bhavam atmabhutam pashyati. He sees this as one's own self. How? Ayam aham iti. This is who I am. Or mama iti. Or this is mine. Either as I or as mine. Tancha drashtaram sabhavo avati. Then that bhava will protect this person, drashtaram. Tika. Tameva bhavam vishinashti. Saha katham drashtaram rakshati iti apekshayama. How does it protect this person, the sadhaka, the one who sees it everywhere? Sadhaka purusha tadatmyam apadya ityartha. By becoming one with him, that's all. Actually, it doesn't protect him. Protects means he will be prevented from going anywhere else. That's all. Somebody who does Kundalini, so he will at least not go into other things. He will not do Nishiddha Karma. He will not be gossiping. He will not be interested in movies, etc. He will be more into his Kundalini thing. He will read about Kundalini, he will talk about it, he will practice it. Reiki, he will do that. Any idea you take, all of them are like that. Pranayama, they will tell you first thing, your pranas have problems. And you have to do more pranayama. I had gone to one place. They do 4 hours of asanas every day. 4 hours of yoga asanas. This asana, that asana, this Shirshasana, just like without any support. I was also able to do it. But we can't do it for the rest of our life like that, 4 hours every day. But it was, so this is their idea. So he is possessed by it. Rakshana prakaram prakatayati. How that protection is there, that is shown further. Svena atmana sarvato nirunadhi. It prevents him from everywhere else. Svena Atmana Sarvato Nirunadhi. So, by being that, it prevents him from everything else. साक्षात् असाधारण रूपत्वेन तत्रैव निष्ठामापाद्य ततो अन्यत्र प्रवृत्तिम उपासकस्य निवारयति. Of this upasaka, any other pravritti it will prevent. I gave you enough examples. You see tippani on that page 4, 5, 6. Sadhaka nishthayaha anyatiya nishtha anadhinatvam uktam. This sadhaka nishtha will not have any other. Anyatiya nishtha adhinatva is not there. Anadhinatva is there. Nishthantar abhav. There is no nishtha in anything else. This is where their nishtha is. Asadharana rupatvena. So this is, you see this, everywhere. They all will be saguna only. Nirguna is only aham. Spashtikaranam is tatraiva nistham apadya. In that he will have nishtha, and everything else he will stay away from. Chaturtha padam vyachaste, fourth quarter now. This vibhuti that I apply, so much powder keeps falling. On my dress also. That alone is the cause of this sneeze or cough sometimes. Chaturtha padam is given tasmin grahas tadgraha tadabhinivesha. Tadgraha means tadabhinivesha. Idameva tattvam. This alone is right. This is the ultimate. Satang grihitaram upaiti tasya atmabhavam nigacchati ityartha. People might say, oh, Shankaracharya ji also has this. This alone is right. Advaitam aiva satyam. But you have to remember, this is Shastra Sammatam. So, if you have Shastra Pramana, if you have Yukti for that, then you can't refute it. Then that Bhava, Saha means Saha Bhava, Tam Grihitaram Upaiti. Tasya atmabhavam nigacchati. It becomes one with that person. So he becomes that becomes him, like that. Etena anyatra pravritti nirodhe hetuhu uktaha. By this hetu is given, why he will not engage in anything else. He is possessed by this. To that person, Advaita and all will not make sense. Further, tarhi pranadinam atmavadeva tatvikatvam praptam. Then, just as Atma is absolute reality, pranadi also will become absolute. Iti ashankya. Kalpitanam adhisthanatirekena avastutvat va avastutvan naivam. Dirgha. Kalpita vastu is not different from adhishthanam. Kalpita sarpa is not different from Rajju. Rajju alone is Satyam. एतैरेषो पृथग्भावैः पृथगेवेति लक्षितः एवं यो वेद तत्त्वेन कल्पयेत्सो विशंकितः। एतैः एषः आत्मा अधिष्ठानम् अपृथग्भावैः स्थितम्. This Atma is actually not different from all these ideas. This was said in the beginning itself. They all are sarpadharadibhir bhavaihi. Sarpa, udakadhara, danda, ityadi ityadi. And Atma is adhishthanam. You need something real to project something unreal. So that real is Atma. Everything else is projection. But people think Atma is different. Prithag eva iti lakshitaha. They think Atma is different, all these are different. Really speaking, when they say all these, actually they are talking of Atma with Samvivarta, giving reality to only Anatma. Evam yo veda tattvena kalpayet so vishankitaha. Evam, in this way, yaha tattvena veda, the one who knows the essential truth, tattvena veda means tattvataha. He has to know. If you say, even when I know Anatma, actually I am knowing Atma only. Even when I see Sarpa, I am seeing Rajju. When I see Danda, I see Rajju. When I see Udakadhara, I see Rajju. So then, why not allow me to say whatever I want to say? Because anyway, ultimately it is Rajju, Adhishthanam. Oh, here it is said, you know Rajju, but you are knowing Rajju as Sarpa, Sarpatvena Jnatam, Dandatvena Jnatam. That is not correct. You have to know Rajju as Rajju, Rajjutvena. That is why Tattvena Veda. Only that person can give the vision of Vedas. Saha avishankitaha kalpayet. He can do any kalpana. Means he can interpret Shastra without any hesitation, Shanka. Because he has understood the truth as is. And you know, sometimes what can happen, is people around you who do not know much, they may think, yes, whatever you are saying is correct. But it will not work outside of that circle. Or it may work in that generation, but for other generation same thing might become falsified. So then it will not remain absolute. Absolute reality will be that which continues to remain the same at any time for any generation. Brahma is that. Nothing else is absolute reality, remember. Everything else in Vyavahara you accept, you reject, it will go on changing. टीका उक्त ज्ञान स्तुति स्तुत्यर्थमाह. So this second line, Uttarardha, is stuti, that the one who knows this avishankitaha saha kalpayet. He can do this interpretation of Shastra or can derive meaning without hesitation. Why? Remember, everything is Adhyaropa other than Brahma. Sometimes you do this way, sometimes you go this way. There is no hard and fast rule because everything is Ajnanam. Everything is Ajnanam. But you say some things are allowed, some are not allowed, some do, some don'ts, based on some guidelines, some norms. If you say, no, I don't follow, I don't want to believe, you can do whatever you want to do. There is nothing wrong about it. But there is some guideline given, always. Truth is Brahma. Everything else is Adhyaropita. पूर्वार्धम व्याकरोति भाष्य. एतैहि प्राणादिभिः आत्मनो अपृथक भावैः अपृथक भूतैः एष आत्मा रज्जुरिव सर्पादि विकल्पना रूपैः पृथक एवेति लक्षितो अविलक्षितो निश्चितो मूढ़ैरित्यर्थः. एतैहि, all these prana etc. Pranadiभिः Atmano apruthak bhavai. They are not actually different from Atma because they can't exist. Any notion requires existence, which is Brahma, Sat. Apruthak bhavai, apruthak bhutaihi, eshaha Atma, this Atma alone, which is not different from all this. Rajjuriva sarpadi vikalpana rupaihi. Like Rajju is Sarpadi Vikalpana Rupa. Prithak eveti lakshitaha abhilakshitaha nishchito mudaihi. As if it is separate. Prithak. So mood people think Atma is different. All this is different. But remember, all this is only superimposed on Atma. Tika. Kalpitanam adhisthanatirekena sattaspuranayor abhavat. Kalpita vastu cannot have satta and spurti without adhishthanam. Adhisthanatirekena sattaspuranayor abhavat तद्वारेण आत्मनि भेद दर्शनम अविवेकिनाम अस्तु. So through that Atmadhisthana and Kalpita Namarupa having Satta Spurana, Satta and Spurti, Yasyaivam Spuranam Sadatmakam is this. Atmani Bheda Darshanam. So they see Bheda, manyness in Atma. For whom? Avivekinam astu. For aviveki people, they will have this. Tad anyesham katham upalabdhihi ityashankyaha. For the others, how is this upalabdhi? Vivekinam tu iti. भाष्य विवेकिनाम तु रज्ज्वामिव कल्पिताः सर्पादयो न आत्मव्यतिरेकेण प्राणादयः सन्ति इति अभिप्रायः. For Viveki, Sarpadi are kalpita in Rajju. Rajjvamiva kalpitaha sarpadayo na atma vyatirekena. Other than Atma, Pranadi, they don't have existence. Pranadayaha na santi iti abhipraya. Idam sarvam yadayam atma iti shrutehe. Vedantis are very wonderful. They have quotations for everything. If you want to say everything is anatma, different from atma, you say yes, we have quotation. Everything is atma, yes, we have quotation. Idam sarvam yadayam atma. But you have to remember, this is Bada Samanadikaranya. Huh? Sarvam atma is Bada Samanadikaranya. उत्तरार्धम योजयति एवं आत्मव्यतिरेकेण असत्वम रज्जु सर्पवत. टिप्पणी ओनली वन टिप्पणी है द्वारेण मीन्स कल्पित प्राणादि द्वारेण. आत्मव्यतिरेकेण असत्वम अदर देन आत्मा एवरीथिंग इज असत. रज्जु सर्पवत आत्मनि कल्पितम. आत्मनि कल्पितानाम आत्मानं च केवलं निर्विकल्पम. आत्मव्यतिरेकेण एवरीथिंग इज असत्वम. रज्जु सर्पवद आत्मनि कल्पितानाम थिंग्स विच आर कल्पित प्रोजेक्टेड इन आत्मा. कल्पितानाम आत्मानं च केवलम निर्विकल्पम. एंड आत्मा अलोन इज निर्विकल्प विच इज नॉट कल्पित. यो वेद तत्वेन श्रुतितः युक्तितश्च. The one who sees tatvena. Tatvena means through shruti yukti as is. So in Tika, Tatvena Atma Vedanopayam Suchayati. How one will know Atma Tatvena? Through Shruti, Yukti, etc. सो अविशंकितो वेदार्थम विभागतः कल्पयति इत्यर्थः. He is free from all doubts. Avishankitah. He can do Vedartha Vibhaga. This is Karma Upasana. Means this is Adhyaropa. This is Jnanam. This is Apavada. Or this is Avidya. This is Vidya. Like this. He can do division. That example is given. Idam evam param vakyam. Ado anya param. This vakya idam param. This adah param. So this division he can do properly. Tika. Swapna drishyavad जागृत दृश्यानाम मिथ्यात्व साधको दृश्यत्वादि हेतु अत्र युक्ति ही इत्युच्यते. What is the yukti? जागृत दृश्यम मिथ्या दृश्यत्वात् स्वप्नवत्. This is the yukti. Now this is important line. यथोक्त विज्ञानवान वेद किंकरो न भवति किंतु सह यम वेदार्थम ब्रूते स एव वेदार्थो भवति इत्यर्थः. यथोक्त विज्ञानवान, the one who has this vijnanam, he doesn't become Veda Kinkaraha. Means he will not become a servant of Vedas, literal meaning. In other words, now Vedas don't have to tell him, you do karma, you do upasana, you wake up early, you do this, you do Agnihotra, ityadi. Veda Kinkaro na bhavati doesn't mean he says now these Vedas I'm not going to use and all, you know. Vedas don't have to tell him because he is wise enough, mature enough, and he will do the right thing. You see how long parents will tell you things until they feel you are immature. When they see that you know in what is your good, you will do that. What is not your good, you will not do. They'll say you are okay now. You do whatever you want to do. Same is true for Vedas. Vedas also, earlier they say, oh, early morning you do this, Parayana, chanting, some other puja. Now you do whatever you want to do. Even Nididhyasanam, you don't have to do. You do whatever, when it is required, you do it. So, kintu saha yam vedartham brute sa eva vedartho bhavati ityartha. Whatever vedartha he will say will be the vedartha. Means whatever meaning he will give of the Vedic statements, that will be the real meaning. What a big thing. In a Vedic society, where a person says, this is the meaning of the Vedas, means that person says, you don't do this, then you don't have to worry. This will, so this is true for a Mahatma who has studied Shastra, who has understood Shastra, who can guide the person or generation, whatever. But everyone can't start doing this. Then there will be chaos. And we can see that, in society. So the person has to be really truthful, honest. There should not be any selfish motive. And Bhagavan will make that person a nimitta to inspire a lot of people. Now, of course, it doesn't matter about the numbers also, because you have masses which are just common people, and you have few just counted on fingertips, but they are really brilliant. So it is not the numbers, it is who you guide and how you guide. Further now, Vibhagato Vedartha Vyakhyanam Abhinayati. Through Vibhaga, through division, Vedartha Vyakhyanam, the exposition of the meaning of Veda is depicted now, Abhinayati. Idam evam param, adaha anya param, in this way. Now he explains further. Jnana Kandam Sakshad Advaita Vastu Param. Jnana Kanda is for Advaita Vastu. Karma Kandam to Sadhya Sadhana Sambandha Bodhana Dwara Paramparaya Tasmin Paryavasitam. Only this part. If you start giving messages in other fields, then that is not what is meant here. Here only main thing about Jnana Kanda and Karma Upasana, this division. And Jnana Kanda, what is the Tatparya? Advaita Vastu. Karma Upasana, what is the Tatparya? Some sadhana is there for some sadhya. Sadhya sadhana sambandha is there. And Paramparaya Paryavasanam is there. Paramparaya Tasmin Paryavasitam. Sarve Veda Yat Padamamananti iti Shrutehe ityartha. All the Vedas are directly or indirectly pointing Advaita Vastu. This I just now explained in Kathopanishad when this mantra came. Atmavidaha Vedarthavitvam Uktam Vyanakti. Atmajnani is the knower of the meaning of the Vedas. Means Vedas ultimately want that I become free from desires. This is first thing. Nishkama Purusha. And I should know I am Brahma. Jagat Karanam. Now how I will become desireless? Could be different ways. So if somebody knows what desires I have, how can I get rid of those, how to exhaust, they may ask me to do lot of karma yoga, because that is the right thing for me, let us say. So this example of Jnaneshwar Maharaj's father, his guru told him, go and have children. When he lived with his guru for so many years. Now you imagine. So he must have thought this is the right thing for him, and you look at all the children that came out. So whatever they say, there might be some reason. Tadeva hi Vedartha Tattvam. Before that, Bhashya. Nahi anadhyatmavid Vedartha Tattvam Jnatum Shaknoti Tattvataha. Anadhyatmavid, person who is not into Adhyatma Shastra, not the knower of Atma, he will not be able to know Vedartha Tattva in essence. Nahi anadhyatmavid Vedartha Tattvam Jnatum Shaknoti Tattvataha. Tika. Tadeva hi Vedartha Tattvam yat pratyatma swarupam atascha adhyatmavideva yathatmyena tattvajnane prabhavati ityartha. That alone is Vedartha Tattvam. What is that? Yat pratyatma swarupam. What is the pratyatma swarupa? Ataha, therefore, adhyatmavid eva, person who is adhyatmavid, yathatmyena tattvajnane prabhavati. He alone is able to, prabhavati means to be. he remains in Tattva Jnana. Means he knows he is that, and then he can guide people for that. तत्वज्ञाने प्रभवति इत्यर्थः. उक्ते अर्थे स्मृतिम उदाहरति. मनुस्मृति इज कोटेड हियर. नहीं अनध्यात्मवित् कश्चित् क्रियाफलम उपाश्नुते इति हि मानवम वचनम. Anadhyatmavit, person who is not Adhyatmavit, knower of the Adhyatma Vidya, nahi kriya phalam upashnute. Kriya means pramanam, Sitika. Kriya shabdena pramanam uchyate. Tat phalam tattva jnanam. So, kriya phalam means tattva jnanam he will not have. Anadhyatmavit. अग्निहोत्रादि क्रियायाश्च बुद्धि शुद्धि द्वारा तस्मिन् पर्यवसानात् इत्यर्थः. And all the Agnihotra and all, what about them? That is Kriya Phalam. He said they all will culminate in Brahma Vidya. So, once I have this vision that everything will lead to Brahma Jnanam only. This is the truth. You do everything, ultimately it will come to this alone. This is Manusmriti iti hi manavam vachanam. Further, yabhir yuktibhihi asmin prakarane dvaitasya mithyatvam kathyate tasam pramananugrahakatvad anabhasatvam avaseyam ityaha. By those yuktis, yabhihi yuktibhihi, in this chapter, asmin prakarane, dvaitasya mithyatvam. So, this whole topic is concluding now in 31 and 32. So, drishyatva, and then Purvapaksha gave different reasons for हेतु असिद्ध, दृष्टांत असिद्ध, साध्य वैकल्यम, all different ideas, all of them were refuted. So द्वैतस्य मिथ्यात्वं कथ्यते. तासां प्रमाण अनुग्राहकत्वात्. All those yuktis, they are praman anugrahaka, and therefore they are anabhasatvam. Means they are supporting Shruti Pramana. All yuktis that are given in this chapter, they are supporting Shruti. So they are not abhasa. Yukti is not abhasa, it is supporting Shruti. Ityaha. स्वप्नमाये यथा दृष्टे गंधर्वनगरम यथा तथा विश्वमिदं दृष्टं वेदांतेषु विचक्षणैः यथा स्वप्नं च माया च स्वप्नमाये दृष्टे यथा गंधर्वनगरम दृष्टम. How swapna is, how maya is, how Gandharvanagar is. Those who are the knowers of Vedanta, Vedanteshu vichakshanaihi idam vishwam tatha drashtam. They see this world like that, like swapna, like Maya, like Gandharvanagar. So it is just appearing, there is nothing substantial. You know, it feels like, oh, this is happening, this is so real, this, that. Before you know it, whoosh, it disappears. टीका श्लोकस्य तात्पर्यार्थम आह. So how Anand Giriji's sentence is supporting here? Vedanteshu. So Jagat is mithya, like Swapnavat, Maya means magic show, Gandharvanagaravat. This is shown in Vedanta. Vichakshana means wise people. Chakshin is for Vyakhyanam, I think. Chakshi dhatu. Vaktayam vachi. So, with view upasarga, see, chakshanam is lut pratyaya. View upasarga, chakshanam means darshanam, like darshanam. Here it is ukti, vachanam. But here it is not only ukti, but it is seeing, looking at it in this way. Because drashtam, vichakshanaihi drashtam. Bhashya. Yadetad dvaitasya asatvam uktam. That this dvaita is asat. Asat means mithya. Uktam yuktitaha, through yukti. Tadetad vedanta pramana avagatam ityaha. This is known through Vedanta Pramana, not Yukti. Yukti is supporting Vedanta. It is known through Vedanta Pramanam. Tika. Asatve sattvavat pratibhanam katham iti ashankya shlokakshirani vyajaste. If it is asat, then why do I experience it as sat? So the shloka is explained. Swapnascha maya cha swapna maye. Swapna and maya. Asad vastvatmike asatyav. Because their subject matter is asat, means mithya. Therefore they are called asat, asatyav. But sadvastvatmike iva lakshyate avivekibhi. Aviveki people think their subject matter is satyam. Actually speaking, their subject matter is mithya. Prasaritani tatra tatra prakatatam prapitani. Panyani kraya vikraya dravyani yeshu apareshu hatteshu te prasarita panyapanaha te cha grihascha prasadascha strim punjana padascha etesham vyavharaha taihi akirnam iti yojana. So he gives the example of Gandharvanagar. Yathacha prasarita पण्य आपण गृह प्रासाद स्त्री पुंजन पद व्यवहार आकीर्णम इव गंधर्व नगरम. So celestial city, you imagine, where things are spread out, nice roads are there, beautiful houses are there, and shopping centers are there, malls are there, men, women are there, walking around on the path, strolling, some shopping, buying things. This is Gandharva Nagara. Gandharva Nagaram Drishyamanam. Samasa is opened in the Tika. Panyani, Kraya Vikriya Dravyani. Panya means there where give and take. Kraya Vikriya means buy and sell any material, goods. Yeshu Apaneshu Hatteshu, in the market. Apana means market. Shops, big shops are there. Te prasarita panyapanaha. There prasarita, spread out, panya apana is there. So buying and selling goods market spread out. And then houses are there. Techa grihascha, prasadascha. Houses are there, palaces are there, big. Stri punjana padaha cha etesham. And janapadaha, stri pum janapadaha. So men and women are walking on their foot, etc. Tesham vyavaharaha, and they are doing this vyavahara of buying, selling, or just looking at it. Akiranam. This is all illusion, big illusion. So we think, oh, markets are there, shopping malls are there, people are there, nicely dressed up buying, therefore it is real. It is not Satyam. Small village is there, therefore it is Mithya, and big city is there, therefore it is Satyam. No. So 3 examples. Swapna, Maya, Gandharva Nagaram. Drishtantatrayam anudya darshtantikam aha. Now darshtantikam, before that in Bhashya, Gandharva Nagaram Drishyamanam eva sat akasmat abhavagatam, akasmat abhavatam gatam drishtam. Suddenly the whole thing disappears. Abhavatam gatam drishtam. So you saw it was there, active, busy and everything, and in no time everything disappears. Dashtantikam is given from Yathacha, which we will see tomorrow. Om Purnamadaha Purnamidam Purnat Purnamudachyate Purnasya Purnamadaya Purnamevavashishyate. Om Shanti Shanti Shanti. Shankaram Shankaracharyam Keshavam Badarayanam Sutra Bhashyakritau Vande Bhagavantau Punaha Punaha Ishvaro Gururatmeti Murti Veda Vibhagine Vyomavad Vyaptadehaya Dakshinamurtaye Namaha. Om Shanti Shanti Shanti. Om.